A couple of weeks ago, Chantal showed us a very interesting dish called Makdous. It's a stuffed eggplant that she served with some pita bread alongside some cheese for a snack. Now I don't know about you, but I feel like there's a lot missing from these Kuwait vlogs. Chantal doesn't go into great detail about the food. Everything is fresh or yummy or so good, but she doesn't really tell us much about the origins of many of these foods that we've never heard of. Now I know she's really busy going to all those petting zoos and pet stores, but I wish she would spend more time describing the cuisine of the Middle East. In any case, I found a big jar of Makdous at my local Middle Eastern store, and I thought I'd show you what it's like. Let's see what Foodie had to say.
Okay, so I have bread, and this is called Makdous. So I actually, you guys are gonna laugh, but McChubby Makdous. Remember I used to say that about McChubby? This is a food called Makdous, so it's my favorite. Camels are so cute. We have our own opinion. Yeah, you're really against like any, I know. So it's basically like, hi. It's basically a little eggplant stuffed with peppers and like nuts and spices. I'll show you. See in the inside here? There's like peppers and stuff. Mmm.
So if you're lucky enough to find Makdous near you, this is what it'll look like. It comes in pretty big jars, and it may be expensive. This one was $9.99, but look at just how much eggplant is in here. The eggplants are stuffed and then brined and sealed in a jar with olive oil and/or regular oil. The red color comes from the chopped up peppers that they're stuffed with. I'm packing up a few of these to take to work for my breakfast and also share with my vegetarian friend. These may not look like much, but they pack a ton of flavor and make a good snack or savory breakfast. Flavor-wise, these are going to remind you of olives, so they're not exactly pickled, rather they're brined. They're salty, meaty in texture, and earthy tasting, and depending on the brand, they may be pretty spicy. You can serve them whole or cut them in half to show off the stuffing. I'm having mine with some Barbary bread and cream cheese. This particular brand was pretty spicy, so I'll have to remember that for next time. These would be a great addition to a tapas spread or a wonderful appetizer for your vegetarian friends. The filling is a very hearty mixture of garlic, crushed nuts, and in this case, a whole walnut. It's very beautiful in presentation. I can imagine just how much work goes into making these. In the description box, I'll link a recipe so you can see too. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Would you give Makdous a try?